My house came with a dining room that had 2 windows in it, and I never really used it as a dining room. So to save space, I wanted to build a bookshelf in the wall. It had wires running through it from the outlets, so I just built a small bookshelf underneath it. Got my laser level out and leveled it up. Now on the other side I actually drywalled it back in. But this was the tricky part, the angled ceiling. And what I did was built 7 working modules that I cut the holes, pre-painted, added some crown molding and trim, and cut for an outlet, and then filled in some books with the Vinny Decimal System. Now the Vinny Decimal System is quite easy. It starts with chess, and then it goes into history, science, art, excess books, animation, toy making, a little bit of literature, some religion, more literature, more literature, more literature, more literature, and puzzles. Simple. Then I replaced the light fixture and I have myself a library. Now I'm going to show you one of my favorite books here. Up here on the top shelf, 1961, Ronald Searle's version of A Christmas Carol. Can't go wrong with this book. All the illustrations are gorgeous. Anything Ronald Searle did was just worthy of study by any animator. And here I'll show you some of the images.